So to send money on PayPal, you don't really need money inside your PayPal. That's just, you can still have money inside and send, but one of the major ways is what? You come to tools, you click on send money, and then once it loads up, you will see the last set of people you've sent money to. So you can select any of them or put in a new person. But this is my second PayPal account, so I'll select that, and then I'll put in the amount I want to send. So I think let me just send only $2. Let's just do some little practical. $1 or $2 is fine. So now once I come here, you will see add a note. Don't add any notes. Don't add any note, please. You just click on continue. I was charged $4.50 to $1, so make sure you have enough money in your Naira account. So you can now see bank, MasterCard, this and this and this. For you to get to these settings, there are 1 or 2 settings that you need to do, but let us just quickly add a new card. Yes, let's quickly add a new card. Then you be mad, yo, you be mad, you be mad, yo, you be mad. So I select my billing address and then I click on link card. Don't save. You see your Visa card, yeah, has been linked successfully. Yeah, you just click on done. You see, I'm paying with this Visa, with this card I just added. You click on send payments now. So you send this to the, you can see, yeah. If you go to our summary, you will see that we just want send this payment. Yes. Okay, now you can see, guys, you've got money. Yes, you've got money. And then we've got this email from PayPal. So when we open the email, you'll see what C.B.N sent you $2. Let me refresh it real quickly because we do everything real and direct. Yes, it has just refreshed. We now have what, $2.30. And now let us take a look at it. You see payment from C.B.N completed. You can see $2 USD. Yes, so we'll keep it real. If you click on it, let us click on it and look at the details real quickly. You see transaction details completed. Yes, ship to this completed. You see. Now if you go down, you will see details about the PayPal I sent it from, paid by C.B.N. Reality. It is what non-US and it is what verified.
Catholic. Osi ndị nke Chineke bịa ụmụ ọdịnabi ọ bụ onye ga-aka ihe Chukwu mere ọ bịa gbuo ịhụnanya Chineke karịsị ya soro m too Chukwu mgbe niile ị na-azara elu ya anya n'azụ n'ihe ka mgbe mgbe What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the red subscribe button and make sure to turn on the bell notification icon so any video I drop you get it once your notification feed, guys. My name is WATERFRED'S and I teach about arbitrage, buying and selling of e-currencies, of fiat currencies, dollar, pound, euro, Ugandan shillings, Ghanaian cedis, PayPal, and reselling them back to make profit. So today, guys, we'll be jumping right into the video and we'll be doing PayPal. We shall be buying PayPal USD at the lowest rate of $4.50 to $1. I have done videos about buying PayPal severally on this channel, but I discovered some updates that is going to benefit a lot of people. So I'm actually doing a remake of this video. So guys, on this video we are going to learn how we can be able to operate 2 PayPal accounts and use them to send payments across ourselves. I'll be sending money across to myself using 2 PayPal accounts that belong to me, and then I'll also show you how you can be able to make this payment using your Nigerian ATM card, and then you can be able to make international payments with them too. I'll also show you how you can prevent your money from going into hold, or the best possible way that you can prevent your money from going into hold. Another thing I'll also show you on this video is how you can be able to bring back your money, or what best to do when your money goes into hold. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's jump right into my system and let me show you how I do this. So guys, this is my main PayPal account. And if you check, this is a 15th August. Within the last 2 days, I've been doing some practicals and I've sent money to 3 different PayPal accounts. You see, I've sent to Obi Digitals, I've sent to Bobo Ventures, and I've sent severally to this Vijuchi International. So guys, I did all this so I can do the practical and confirm very well that this is working before I can put this information out. So now guys, what we're going to do now, if you look at my PayPal balance, you see I don't have any money in PayPal. This is 0.00 USD, but that notwithstanding, we are still going to send money to the second PayPal account, to my second PayPal account. Now, for you to know, if you click on this payments, you will see currency, US dollar, euro, and you will see my banks, Evolve Bank and Trust, Community, Federal Savings Bank. Then you will see several cards that I have added in here. I'm here to confirm one of these cards, so
I'll click and then confirm it. But you can see I'm using about 5 cards on this platform. And then so without wasting any time, let us quickly send money to my second PayPal account. But to be very truthful to ourselves, before I send this money, I will need to log into that second PayPal account and let us see how much I have in there, so that we will know if we actually receive it or not. So this is my second PayPal account, and if you look, you'll see payment from C.B.N, payment completed, refunded, and some of my activities, recent activities, just today, within today, in the last 24 hours, let me say it that way. And then you can see I have just 73 cents here. So let us quickly send money to this PayPal account from my main PayPal account, and then we'll see how it goes. So to send money on PayPal, you don't really need money inside your PayPal. You can still have money inside and send, but one of the major ways is what? You come to tools, you click on send money, and then once it loads up, you will see the last set of people you've sent money to. So you can select any of them or put in a new person. But this is my second PayPal account, so I'll select that, and then I'll put in the amount I want to send. So I think let me just send only $2. Let's just do some little practical. $1 or $2 is fine. So now once I come here, you will see add a note. Don't add any notes. Don't add any note, please. You just click on continue. $1 is from my last practical is usually I was charged $4.50 to $1. So make sure you have enough money in your Naira account. So you can now see bank, MasterCard, this and this and this. For you to get to these settings, there are 1 or 2 settings that you need to do. But let us just quickly add a new card. Yes. Let's quickly add a new card. Then
you be mad, yo, you be mad, you be mad, yo, you be mad.
Make sure that the address that you want to select, billing address, must be the address that you used in your bank, that you used to open that bank account, so that everything will match. So I select my billing address and then I click on link card. Don't save. You see your Visa card has been linked successfully. You just click on done. What just happened right now is that PayPal debited me $1 and refunded it back immediately. That was the alert that you just had. So now you can see now that I've linked a new card. So I'm about to send $2 to my second PayPal account. So right down here, you click on, you see I'm paying with this Visa, with this card I just added. You click on send payments now. So you send this to you can see if you go to our summary, you will see that we just would send this payment. Okay, now you can see, guys, you've got money. You've got money, and then we've got this email from PayPal. So when we open the email, you will see what C.B.N sent you $2, and you will see that the total is what the fee and the total we now have is what the money I now have out of that $2 is 1.63. So you can now see that this is my second PayPal, and if I log in, you will see that I will now have $2.36 now that I've logged in. Let me refresh it real quickly because we do everything real and direct. Yes, it has just refreshed. We now have $2.30, and now let us take a look at it. You see payment from C.B.N completed. You can see 2 USD. So we'll keep it real. If you click on it, let us click on it and look at the details real quickly. You see transaction details completed. Ship to this completed. You see now if you go down, you will see details about the PayPal I sent it from, paid by C.B.N Reality. It is non-US, and it is verified. So now, guys, let us quickly log back into my main PayPal account, and let me show you some things you need to do to make sure that your money does not go into hold.
So guys, if you notice on this video, few things are missing, like the list of cards that work on PayPal, the cards that are used for this, then the way you can safely use your PayPal without getting blocked. Like for years, I've been running my PayPal like 3 years now, and it has been going smoothly. So, and other tips that is going to help you make the maximum use of a PayPal. So if you want to know these things, kindly message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S, and please note that my course is a paid course. My course is not a free course, guys.
So now, guys, back to my main PayPal account. You can see I made payments to the Joche Ventures minus $2. Now if you click on the transaction, payment type, goods and services. Now the first thing you need to do when sending money to make sure it doesn't enter a hold or it don't enter problem is to avoid using the family and friends option. I don't just know why, but I've always been using the goods and services, and they take a little commission as fees, and it goes successfully. Family and friends is actually free, but it will put you under more checks, and there's a possibility of PayPal asking for more verification and a lot of all those kind of things. To avoid your money going into hold, you have to first of all know that it is still completely normal for your money to go into hold sometimes, but the first thing you have to do if your money goes into hold is just to wait for 24 hours. It's not that PayPal hates you or something, but PayPal wants to confirm that the sender actually sent that money, that it doesn't come back complaining that his account is hacked. That's why they hold it for a little moment before you are being paid, just like Fiverr or just like affiliate marketing, where sometimes you have to wait for a few days before your money drops into your bank account. Now for the second thing you have to do when you're sending money is, when you're sending money, make sure you don't send big amounts at once. Yes, because people doesn't really like it when you just moving money, when you're not doing that kind of transaction before you move. When you want to send $1,000, send $20 first, and then wait for 30 minutes, 1 hour before you send another $20, or in $10 or in $15. Some people actually send, if you're actually used to doing big transactions of $1,000, $2,000, you send $100, it will be as if you're sending $1 for PayPal, so they will hardly check that. When you are sending money, sometimes you don't have to add notes. Yes, if you don't have to add notes, and sometimes you may still add notes. But let us say, for instance, we are sending, let's say, $50. You may add notes or you may not, but most times I don't add notes. Yes, when you click on continue and you see the card you want to pay with, and you click on next, sometimes to ask you for what? For shipping address. Select this and select no address needed. Yes, no address needed most times gives you the option of PayPal not checking if the receiver has actually gotten the products. Yes, because PayPal, you are paying for goods and services, or you're paying for services, goods or services. But you can notice that I sent that money and with an address, and it went through without going to hold. That tells you that what PayPal is already used to me sending money to that particular account. So I've been sending money to that account, so they're already used to it. Then if you've not used your PayPal for a while, the first money or second money you send is more likely to go into hold. Now the fact is this: when your money goes into hold and you send it to yourself, what you have to do is what? Send that money back. Go to that account and refund it. Just go to the account and refund that money. Just click on that payment, and then you see issue a refund, and then you refund it back to where you sent it from. And then after like 1 hour, send it again. It's going to land in that account, and you're not going to have it go on hold. Sometimes if it's on rare cases that it still goes back into hold and you have to wait for 24 hours, but most times when you refund it and send it back, the money will not go into hold. So guys, these are the major tips. Now have money in your PayPal. You can choose, since you are charged $4.50 to $1, you can choose whom to send that money to. If you have a buyer that can buy either $4.50, you can use it and do arbitrage. You can use it and pay for your goods and services, or do whatever you want with it. Then if you want to know the ways that I do arbitrage and make money online, or other ways that I use and earn 1 or 2 income online, you can message me about WATERFRED1 on Instagram. But please know that my course is not a free course. My course is a paid course, just like I said. So I teach not just PayPal, I teach other ways too. You can make money by buying other currencies, and other ways that I do arbitrage and trade online.
If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. You can easily find me on Instagram at WATERFRED1. Kindly follow me on Instagram at WATERFRED1 to stay tuned on my updates. Thanks guys for always watching. Thanks guys for sharing my videos on social media. Thanks guys for the comments, and stay tuned. I'll always give you value on this channel. WATERFRED1 here again. Peace.